Welcome back with a new math lesson. Our lesson today about the function. In this lesson we will know what is the meaning of the function. The function is the relation from x to y. X is the domain and y is the codomain, in which each element of x appears once at the first projection. For the first one, there is a connection between 2 and 8, 3 and 9, 5 and 1, 7 and 4, 7 and 9. That means 7 appears 2 times, then the first one is not a function. But for the second one, 2 with 6, 3 with 9, 7 with 1, but there is no connection between 5 and any element. Then we can say this relation is not a function, because there is no connection between 5 and any element. For the third one, 2 and 6, 3 and 9, 5 and 6, 7 and 9. Each element of x appears once at the first projection. Then we can say this relation is a function. For example, f is a function on x, where x equals 3, 4, 5 and 6, and f of 3 equals 3, f of 4 equals 5, f of 5 equals 4, f of 6 equals 5. Represent f by the arrow diagram and by Cartesian diagram. At the first we have to know what is the meaning of f of 3 equals 3. F of 3 equals 3, that means when x equals 3, y equals 3. By the same, f of 4 equals 5, then 4 and 5. When x equals 4, y equals 5. f of 5 equals 4, then the ordered pair will be 5 and 4. f of 6 equals 5, then the ordered pair will be 6 and 5. We can represent by arrow diagram, just we have to put the point. 3, 4, 5 and 6. The first ordered pair, 3 and 3, then 3 and 3. The second, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 5 and 4, 5 and 4, 6 and 5, then it will be 6 and 5. To represent by Cartesian diagram, that's x and that's x. Write the element of x, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The first ordered pair 3 and 3, the second 4 and 5, the third 5 and 4, the next is 6 and 5. If x equals 1, 2, 3 and 4, which of the following arrow diagram represent a function on x? To find the relation as a function or not, we have to write the ordered pair. The first ordered pair starts from 1 to 3, then 1 and 3, from 2 to 3, and from 2 to 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 4. We have two ordered pairs starting with 2 at the first projection. Then we can say this relation is not a function, because 2 appears 2 times and 4 didn't appear at the first projection. For the second one, the first ordered pair is 1 and 3. 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 1, 4 and 1. Each element of x appears once at the first projection. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is no element appear 2 times. Then we can say this relation is a function. For the third one, we will follow the arrow. 1 and 4, 2 and 4, 3 didn't appear at the first projection. Then for this relation we can say it's not a function. Which of the following diagram represent a function from x to x? The first ordered pair 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 3 and 5. 3 appears 2 times. It means this relation is not a function. For the second one, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 3 and 3, 4 and 3, 5 and 3. Each element of x appears once at the first projection. Then we can say this relation is the function. For the third one, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, there is no ordered pair for x. Then we can say this relation is not a function. The domain, the codomain, and the range. The set of x is called domain, and the set of y is called codomain, and the range is the image of the domain and the codomain. Then we can say the domain equals -1, 2 and 3, the codomain 2, 3, 5 and 7, and the range will be 3, 5 and 7. If x equals 2, 3 and 4, y equals y to y belongs to n, and y bigger than or equals 2 and smaller than 9, where n is a natural number, and r is the relation from x to y, where a equals half b, for a belongs to x and b belongs to y. Write the relation then represented by the arrow diagram. At the first we have to write the two sets. X equals 2, 3 and 4, and y equals all elements starting from 2 to 9. Then it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can't write 9 because it's y smaller than 9. Write the element of x. A equals 2, A equals 3, A equals 4. To find B, A is half of B. That means B equals double A. Then multiplied by 2, B equals 4. Multiplied by 2, then B equals 6. Multiplied by 2, then B equals 8. 4 is the element of y, and 6 is the element of y, and 8 is the element of y. Then we can write the ordered pair 2 and 4, 3 and 6, 4 and 8. 2 represented by the arrow diagram, that's x, and that's y. Then x equals 2, 3 and 4, and y equals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The first ordered pair 2 and 4, 3 and 6, 4 and 8. This relation is a function because each element of x appears once at the first projection.